What is a trust? This is a common question that people ask our law firm, and admittedly, kind of a tricky concept to understand. So, at its core, a trust is just an agreement that we write, we draw up a document, you sign the document, you give birth to this new legal entity called a trust. Think of it kind of like this coffee mug, okay? We draw a document, you sign the document, you just gave birth to this new legal thing. Now, then the next step is to transfer some assets to the trust. Now, the trust technically owns the asset. Now, there's three people involved in this situation. The person who creates it and puts their thing into it, they've granted ownership of their thing to the trust. That person is called the grantor. The person who has the handle makes the decisions and has the control. That person is called the trustee. That's your decision maker. The people who can use the stuff based on the terms of the trust, those people are called beneficiaries. So the grantor creates it. The trustee's in control and makes all of the decisions. The beneficiaries have access. If you found this information helpful, and if you'd like to know more about this and other legal issues, you should consider attending one of our upcoming estate and elder law workshops, which are free and give you all types of good information. Go to our website, click the link, and schedule today for one of our upcoming workshops.